Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to create a promotion on Printify. First, log into your Printify account. Once you are logged in, you will go to My Store, and in My Store, we will go to Promotions. Here, this list is where your promotions that you create will live. So we will create promotion, and you have the option of doing a products discount, which gives you a percentage-based discount for all of your products in your store, a shipping discount, which offers the reduced shipping to your customers, and they are currently working on a coupon code and tiered discounts. So choose the discount that you would like to go with and click continue. From here, choose your start date and your end date and click apply. Then put your discount amount in for this product. Now, this title is created based off the start and end date and the discount that you added, but it is only viewed internally, not to your customer. So then we will click confirm and publish. So now we have our promotion set up for our 20% off discount. So that is how you create a promotion on Printify.